Hi guys, this is the next video in the TH8 full hogging experience, and this video is about hog pathing, which is very important for planning where your hogs are going to go in a base so that you can heal them appropriately and not have them split up. So let's say that you drop all your hogs right next to this army camp. They're all going to go to the mortar, and when you drop them, they're all going to go to the exact same place on the defense, or at least they should. The majority of the time they do. Sometimes if it's close, they'll go to a spot on two defenses that are, say, right next to each other if they're deployed in between them. But usually people don't have defenses touching each other the exact same distance away, and it's pretty easy to prevent that just by deploying closer to one defense. Anyhow, so you deploy your hogs right next to this army camp, and they all are going to stack on, let's say, this corner right here, right where my mouse clicker is, right there on that mortar. From there, they are going to go to the next defense that's closest to that point, which is this archer tower. But what they're going to do is they're going to spread out. They're going to spread out along this side, and they're going to spread out along this side. The more hogs there are, the more they're going to spread out. And what that means is if you put 37 hogs right on this mortar, they're going to spread out over both sides of this archer tower, and then you're going to have half of them going to this cannon, and you're going to have half of them going into that air defense. And that's called a variable split. And this changes because it's useful for predicting where your hogs are going to go. So let's say that you drop all 37 hogs on the corner of this cannon right here where my mouse is. From there, they're going to spread out and all go to this side of this archer tower. From there, 2/3 of the hogs are going to go to this air defense because that's what's closest to them, and then the hogs that are over here on this corner are going to go to that mortar. So you have 66% going to that air defense, and you have 33% going to that mortar. And what I'm doing is I'm figuring out based on tiles what's the closest defense, or what's the closest side of the defense based on where the hogs are. When the 66% of the hogs go to this air defense, they're going to spread out along this side of both these sides of the air defense because they're coming in diagonally at it. And this half, almost all of these hogs are then going to go to the wizard tower next. But some of them, like that are on this corner of this air defense, are going to go to that archer tower. So of the 66% of the hogs that went to this air defense, we'll say there's maybe a sixth of that 66% is going to go to the archer tower. So that's like 3 or 4 hogs that are going to deviate from the rest of the pack going this way. And what that means is if you're going to lose 3 or 4 hogs that way, you might as well just at the start send 3 or 4 hogs that way, just to get rid of the archer tower and know that it's gone and be able to plan for it. So I hope these examples kind of show you how hogs move and how they spread out so that you can plan your attacks better. Thanks for watching.